All right, guys, we got a 2022 Nissan Titan, 5.6 liter V8, the new body style. Really beautiful truck. I like it. That's sexy. Anyways, got less than 5,000 miles on it. Factory converter there, factory there, secondary there, another secondary there. Then they come true dual from the factory into a single muffler. So we put a MAGNAFLOW dual in, single out. We'll get you guys a part number in a second. Part number 12198. Be a link in the description for it. And then it's got a 3-inch tailpipe out the back. And we put a massive 4-inch by 18 rolled black tip, as you guys can see right there, just to complete the blacked out look. Came out really nice. The whole truck is all blacked out, so it's really nice. It's the Pro 4X. As you guys can see, there it is. So it's got a MAGNAFLOW dual in, single out, and a black tip. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That sounds good. Here's sound decibels. Still under 100, which is perfect. He didn't want it too loud. He just wanted a clean sound. After the MAGNAFLOW breaks in, about 30 days, it gets a little bit louder. Get a couple of more decibels out of it. That sounds good. Once the MAGNAFLOW warms up a little bit more, that will go away too. Once it expands.
That's exactly what I want.
That's what we like to hear. That's awesome. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Nissan Titan 2022. There's the muffler that we cut off right there. All murdered out. Nightshade edition. MAGNAFLOW dual in, single out, and a 4-inch black tip. That's what we got done on it. Traffic. That's perfect. It's clean.